Feel like upgrading your headphones from wired to wireless? We'll show you how to connect your Bluetooth headphones or earbuds to your Xbox One. Some headphones are Xbox compatible, but you can also connect almost any Bluetooth headset or earbuds using an external transmitter or by connecting your device through the Xbox app. Here's how to do it. The easiest and most reliable option is using an Xbox compatible headset. To connect it to your Xbox, press and hold the green power button on the headset until you hear the pairing tone. Press the pair button on the Xbox console and wait about 10 seconds for the headset and console to pair. To adjust your paired headset's audio settings, go to Profile and System, Settings, Devices and Connections, Accessories, and find the headset screen and tap Configure. To connect a non-compatible headset or earbuds, you can use a transmitter that plugs into the 3.5mm headphone jack on the Xbox controller, then pair it to your headset or earbuds like you would any other device. If you want to use a Bluetooth headset or earbuds just to chat with friends as you play, you can use the Xbox app, but you won't hear any game audio through your headphones. Tap Settings, Devices and Connections, Remote Features, then select the Enable Remote Features checkbox. Download the Xbox app on your phone, then sign in with your Xbox Live account. Tap the social icon on the bottom row to start or join a party with your friends. Tap the headphones icon in the top right corner for a voice chat party. Connect your Bluetooth headphones to your smartphone to start chatting with your friends. For professional help fixing your tech, visit Asurion.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips.